Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. The big news last week came directly from Riyadh. The Saudi Food and Drug Authority, the SFDA, has officially released its long-awaited regulatory guidance for AI and machine learning-based medical software. This is a landmark moment for the region. It creates a clear, defined pathway for cutting-edge digital health technologies to enter one of the most lucrative markets in the Middle East. For companies in AI-driven diagnostics, digital pathology, or predictive analytics, this is the green light they have been waiting for. It aligns perfectly with Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030, aiming to become a hub for healthcare innovation. However, the real story is in the details. Buried within the guidance are several critical requirements that represent a major strategic challenge for international manufacturers. The most significant hurdle is a new mandate on local data validation. The SFDA now requires that any AI algorithm must be validated with a clinical study that includes a substantial percentage of data from the local Saudi population. This is a game changer. An algorithm trained and validated exclusively on European or American patient data will no longer be sufficient for approval. This isn't just an administrative checkbox. It's a stringent clinical requirement that forces companies to prove their technology is safe, effective, and equitable for the specific demographic and genetic makeup of Saudi Arabia. For example, a leading German company specializing in AI-powered mammography software now faces a difficult choice. Their algorithm is CE marked and FDA cleared, but it was trained on a Caucasian majority dataset. To enter the Saudi market, they must now partner with local hospitals, secure access to anonymized patient data, and run a new validation study, which could take months and significant investment. This policy is designed to do two things: build a robust local healthcare data ecosystem, and ensure that the technology deployed in the kingdom is truly optimized for its citizens. This shift by the SFDA is a clear signal to the global medtech industry. The era of simply exporting a finished product is ending. The future is in localization, co-development, and clinical integration. Companies that view this not as a barrier, but as an opportunity to build a deeper, more resilient presence in the market will be the ones who succeed. It requires a fundamental shift in strategy, from a simple market entry plan to a comprehensive localization plan. Navigating this complex new landscape of data requirements and clinical partnerships is now the central challenge. For companies looking to understand and navigate these new regulations in Saudi Arabia, expert guidance is essential to turn these challenges into a competitive advantage. You can reach out for a consultation by emailing or visiting Pure Global.